Hello. In this video, you will learn step-by-step how to create a Google AdSense account. The video has been prepared by a platinum-level expert of the Google AdSense Help Forum. If you are just starting to use AdSense, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You will be able to find all the information you need here in the future. Now, without wasting time, let's move on to the process of creating an AdSense account. First of all, you need to have a Google account. That is, a Gmail address. If you do not yet have a Google account, you can learn how to create one from the card that appears at the top of the screen. After creating your account, return to this video. To open an AdSense account, go to adsense.google.com from your browser. You can also find the link in the video description. On the home page, click the Add Sign Up button located in the top right corner. Then, select the Gmail account you want to use for the registration process. If you have more than one account on your device, continue by clicking on the account you want to use. On the page that appears, you will need to enter some information. However, before starting, pay attention to an important point. A valid phone number must be added to your Google account. Otherwise, you may receive such an error in the following stages. For this, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page, then click on the My Account section. On the page that opens, go to the Personal Info tab from the menu on the left side and add your phone number from the Phone section. After completing this process, return to the AdSense registration page. Now you can start filling out the form. In the Your Site section, write your domain if you have a website. If you do not yet have a site, select the I don't have a site yet option. In the Get More Out of AdSense section, you can choose the second option. Then you will come to the country selection. This step is very important. You must select the country you live in correctly. Choosing the wrong country may cause you to not receive payments in the future and force you to close your account. To avoid encountering errors later, select the country you live in correctly. After entering all the information, check the box accepting the agreement and click the Start Using AdSense button. In the window that opens, you will be asked to verify that the account belongs to you. You can easily do this by scanning a QR code or with the verification code sent to your phone. After the verification is completed, you will have logged in to the AdSense panel. Now, let's add your payment information. From the menu on the left side, click on the Payments tab, then the Payments Info section. On the page that opens, press the Add Payments Account button. The most important part you need to pay attention to here is the Account Type option. If you are not a company owner and you are opening the account for personal use, you must select the Individual option. Because in AdSense accounts, the account type cannot be changed later. If you make the wrong choice, you may have to close the account and open it again in the future. After selecting the account type, check that your first and last name are written correctly. If it is written incorrectly, be sure to correct it. After completing this process, write your address information completely. In the Address section, you need to enter the country, city, street, and house number completely and without missing anything. Here, I will just write the country and move on, but you must enter all the information completely. Also, enter the postal code and city information completely and correctly. Writing this information correctly is very important because Google AdSense sends you a PIN code by mail to verify your address. If you enter the wrong address, this code will not reach you and you will not be able to receive payment. Finally, enter your phone number and click the Submit button. Congratulations! You have now completed your AdSense account application. After your information is reviewed, your account will be approved. After the approval process, you can start earning income by connecting either your website or your YouTube channel. If the video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe and like. Wishing you high earnings!